So, your mini boiler iron is plugged in, the boiler is hot and at pressure. You press the iron's thumb switch and instead of steam, you get water. It's an annoyance, but this is a relatively easy fix and we're going to show you how. We estimate that this repair should only take 10 minutes. We give it 2 out of 4 screwdrivers on our difficulty scale. To do this, you will need a thermostat and fuse kit, our part number IRN 186, 2 different size Allen wrenches, sized 5/32 and 5/64, and a screwdriver. Before attempting any repairs, make sure the boiler unit is unplugged and the iron has cooled down. A lot of times, the person using the iron will state they didn't think the iron was what was causing the problem because the iron felt warm. It will feel warm because the boiler was conducting heat. To access the thermostat, pop off the top of the temperature dial. The bottom half of the cap will now be exposed, and you'll notice that the bottom half of the dial is held in place with a set screw. Using a screwdriver, remove that set screw and pull off the bottom half of the dial. You will now need to remove the heat shield. Pop off the 2 cap covers using a screwdriver. Unscrew the screws using a 5/32 inch Allen wrench. Remove the iron housing. The thermostat is now exposed. Remove the wire sleeves connected to the thermostat. Unscrew the bolt holding the thermostat in place. Replace the old thermostat with the new one and bolt it back into place. To replace the fuse, you will need to remove the back plate of the iron using a 5/64 Allen wrench. Remove the screw holding it in place. Using a very thin flathead screwdriver, loosen the tiny bolt on the bottom left-hand column that is holding the old fuse in place. Once the top of the fuse is removed, the bottom sleeve connecting the fuse to the heating element will slide off. Take off the old fuse and replace it with a new one. You can now reattach the back plate and reassemble the iron housing by reversing the steps we just went through earlier. Once the iron is connected and the boiler's turned on, you'll be able to start your pressing again with minimal time lost and at a nominal expense. Thanks for watching. Continue to visit cleanersupply.com for other helpful videos, to order spare parts, or to have any of your questions answered. We'll see you next time.